A sight for sore eyes. The phrase "a sight for sore eyes" comes from the works of Jonathan Swift, a famous writer from Ireland who wrote Gulliver's Travels. He used it in a letter he wrote in 1738 to his friend John Gay, another writer. Swift said that seeing John Gay was like a cure for sore eyes. A sight for sore eyes is an idiom that means seeing something or someone makes you feel happy and comforted, especially after a long time or a difficult period. Example: imagine you've been studying hard for hours, feeling exhausted and stressed. Suddenly your roommate walks in with your favorite snacks and a warm smile. You might say, "Ah, you're a sight for sore eyes." This means that seeing your roommate and the snacks brings happiness and helps you feel less tired. Conclusion: so when you say "a sight for sore eyes," it means that seeing someone or something makes you happy and gives you comfort, especially when you're feeling tired or stressed. Try using this idiom the next time someone brightens your day. It'll make you sound like a true native speaker.